Someone recently asked me to figure out how to do a painterly and artistic effect in bird photography. They had seen some samples around on the net, and the idea was how to simply create a painterly effect, and second, how to make it artistic. So let's take a look at how to do this in Photoshop. For this, I have chosen a fresh shot from my balcony, a bird, obviously. Command E takes us into Photoshop from Lightroom. And once we are there, the first thing we do is make a duplicate copy of the background. As always, a Command J is a shortcut for that. And once we have that, we can turn the visibility off since we don't need the background anymore. And we'll work on the layer. A Command 0 to fit the view in screen, the image. A simple select subject, and we clean it up as in earlier videos according to taste. We can use the selection tool and the brush tool, as well as maybe the color range if required. Clean it up and then make sure the image is selected, not the mask, before we go in for the painterly effect. Now from the filter menu, select stylize, make sure the image is selected, and oil paint. Click anywhere on the image to view that in the preview window. Click OK after fiddling with all the settings you want. And multiple copies can be made by using Command J, duplicate layer, using transform, Command T, from the edit menu, resize, rearrange the layers as you wish. Of course, we can also add a background to this instead of the plain white. We can do a gradient or a solid background. Let's try a gradient, and any one of the built-in ones here just to demonstrate. And that's about it. We have our effects, painterly and artistic. That's it for now. Have fun till the next one.